What's up? This is Tarek, Viet Packy, heading to Malibu, California for a friend's wedding. Right now I'm at Vancouver YVR, and here we go. It is Wednesday, I don't know the date, October 4th. I'm here with my dad. My dad's walking with me to the check-in. Just got my tickets. All right, I'm out of here. Okay, see you later, Dad. Bye. Just made it through customs. It's been since 2010 since I've flied to the States. There you go. San Francisco E79. Just went to grab a sandwich before the flight. My sandwich, the Skyway Club. Look at that, a banh mi shop. Where is it? Gate 79, here we go. Just arrived at Terminal 7 at LAX. We finally meet.
So I thought you could go up and be here.
Terminal 7 is like the highest. And then I had to come down. It was very, very weird.
Let's go to the car rental.
Okay. So yeah, I met up with Viv. Now we're waiting for Kevin in LAX. Viv picked up our rental car. Here we are at the rental car waiting for Kevin. What car is this?
Chevy.
It's a Chevy.
Chevy Malibu.
Malibu.
We're going to Malibu.
Nice. Perfect. American radio stations always have the best music. Kevin is at Terminal 5. Ooh, what bikes are those? Just got Kev. There. Now we're on our way back to the hotel. Just made it to our Airbnb. What does it look like up here? Wow. This is where we're staying. We're in Koreatown right now. Koreatown for some barbecue.
Not yet, yo.
barbecue. Leaving the Korean barbecue.